So we got a special phone call tonight. You guys aren't going to believe this. I literally just got picked up in the brand new Ferrari Roma. This isn't even out yet. This is a pre-pro, and it is amazing. It's been a long time since I saw a Ferrari that I thought was truly beautiful, and this is it. I gotta show you guys this. It's amazing. So super difficult to see, but it's a twin turbo V8. I honestly forget the specs on it. I'll have to do a bit of voiceover here later, but and we don't have the best of light, but as you can see, that engine is very much front midships. There's basically a shock tower there, so almost the entire engine is behind it. Twin turbos. The turbos look like they're nestled right down in the V, but I gotta walk around this thing. It's amazing. Absolutely stunning. What color is this? Do you know?
I don't know. I call it gray.
But it's like this super blue gray.
Silver or something.
So my good friend Fireball has he has a hookup. Let's be honest. He's been a part of the Ferrari family for years. There we go. And a longtime mentor of mine on the track in Dallas as well. So this thing is amazing. And this is totally a pre-production, like.
Yeah, pre-production Ferrari Roma. I think it's 675 horse, 8-speed. It's fast, but it's refined. It's really. You can drive it daily. Very comfortable, very mature.
Unlike us.
But it has an inner hooligan.
Oh. Well, let's go take this thing for a rip.
Let's do that. That's why we're here.
Okay.
So which way should I exit here?
You can go that way if you want to go out towards the highway.
If we go out to the Trans-Canada, I ain't leaving in comfort for me.
It is winter. Like, I mean,
Yeah,
it is winter, right?
So it's winter. It doesn't, the motor easily overwhelms the tires. Like even at 100 kilometers an hour, it'll just overwhelm the tires. So.
And these are good Pirelli snow tires on it. Like, we're being safe.
Yeah, it's got good tires. We're safe, but still, you got to be prudent. You know, you can't.
This thing is so trick, man. Like the center spar is just amazing. And the dash here, like having all the features, like we were just trying this out. I got my seat heater on now. It's awesome. Like, I actually have something to play with over here versus the driver who has, well, you know, everything to play with. And the Mantino, and you said the controls are all haptic?
All these controls on the steering wheel are haptic controls, even the engine start button.
Really?
So it's not a button. You don't push it. You touch it. It's like an iPhone screen. You just touch it and it starts the engine or turns the engine on.
Man, oh man, this thing is gorgeous inside. It's hard to see on camera, but this has it like red.
Deer to see.
Oh yeah, there's deer.
Usually where there's one, there's more than one.
Yeah, this place is always bad right here. Good eye. So on the center here, this is like a beautiful maroon, and then it's just hard to see right now because it's night. I apologize, guys, but
it's nice in here too.
Oh wow!
And it's lit. You can connect your phone, but you can connect your phone wirelessly.
So it's a modern car.
There's a place in here for the key fob that it sits in particular, like it's a friction fit or a press fit.
Right.
So the key doesn't have to be in your pocket if you don't want it in your pocket.
Amazing. And look at these haunches out here too. Like, it's muscular and feminine at the same time. Wow. Unfortunately, the video clip that we had of the pulls was corrupted, so we didn't get that, but we do have this small portion of acceleration on audio. The car sounds amazing for a V8 twin turbo. It has a lot of free revving kind of sounds, very different than the Aston Martin, and it definitely pulls exceptionally hard. But is this a track car? No, it's really a GT car. The interior is comfortable and spacious, has a 2+2 layout, so you can take off for the weekend. The ride is really good, considering that it is a sports car. With that, I'd like to thank Ferrari North America and Ferrari Maserati of Alberta for our access to the car and the stewardship under Fireball. The vehicle is amazing. It's so awesome to see actually a pre-production Ferrari, very special for us. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. It helps us a lot with the algorithm so more people can share in these great videos. Until next time, stay safe